everyone, welcome back to the Auto Mags Pro. Today 2025 CR-V Hybrid keeps its sleek, upscale appearance. With its bold front grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted body lines, this SUV looks confident and modern without trying too hard. Honda's design tweaks are subtle but effective, giving it a more premium presence on the road. Inside, Honda continues to focus on comfort and simplicity. The 2025 CR-V Hybrid features a clean dashboard layout with soft-touch materials, supportive seating, and plenty of head and legroom. New for this year, all hybrid trims come with a larger 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a customizable 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster that displays everything from navigation to hybrid system info. Storage is smart and spacious, with clever cubbies, cup holders, and up to 76.5 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded down. Under the hood, the CR-V Hybrid pairs a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with two electric motors. It makes 204 horsepower and delivers smooth, quiet acceleration, especially in city driving where the hybrid system shines. The transition between gas and electric is seamless. Fuel economy is a big win here. You're looking at an EPA estimated 40 mpg in the city and 34 on the highway, depending on the trim. That's impressive for a compact SUV with available all-wheel drive. The CR-V Hybrid isn't built to thrill, but it's responsive and composed. Steering feels natural, the ride is smooth, and there's a sport mode if you want a bit more zip. And with the regenerative braking system, you'll get extra efficiency while slowing down, plus that satisfying EV feel. Safety-wise, Honda's got you covered. Every 2025 CR-V Hybrid comes with Honda Sensing, that includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition. It's all standard, which gives it an edge over many rivals. The CR-V Hybrid is available in 3 trims, Sport Hybrid, Sport L, and the top-tier Sport Touring. Pricing starts around $34,000 and goes up to just under $41,000 for the fully loaded version, which includes features like AWD, a Bose premium audio system, and built-in navigation. The 2025 Honda CR-V Hybrid is all about balance, efficient but roomy, tech-savvy yet user-friendly. It's not flashy, but it nails what most buyers want in a daily driver. If you're looking for an SUV that's practical, green, and refined, the CR-V Hybrid deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the review, hit that like button and subscribe for more car content. See you in the next one.